I welcome and convey my best wishes to 11th standard students. Today we are going to learn UNIT1 Nature of Physical World and Measurement. In this unit, the student is exposed to excitement generated by the discoveries in physics, an understanding of physical quantities of importance, different system of units, an understanding of errors and corrections in physics measurements, the importance of significant figures, usage of dimensions to check the homogeneity of physical quantities. Let's see the topic science and introduction. The word science has its root in the Latin verb scientia, meaning to know. In Tamil language, it is arrivial, meaning knowing the truth. The human mind is always curious to know and understand different phenomena like the bright celestial objects in nature, cyclic changes in the seasons, occurrence of rainbow, etc. The inquisitive mind looks for meaningful patterns and relations in such phenomena. Today's modern science and technology is an offshoot of the understanding of nature. Science is the systematic organization of knowledge gained through observation, experimentation, and logic reasoning. The knowledge of science dealing with man, non-living things, is physical science. That is, physical science means the combination of physics and chemistry, and that dealing with living things is biological science, which combines botany and zoology. Let's see the next topic, the scientific method. The scientific method is a step-by-step approach in studying natural phenomena and establishing laws which govern these phenomena. Any scientific method involves the following general features. Let's see one by one. First one, systematic observation. Second one, controlled experimentation. Third one, qualitative and quantitative reasoning. Fourth one, mathematical modeling. Then fifth one, prediction and verification or falsification of theories. Physics and introduction. The word physics is derived from the Greek word physis, meaning nature. The study of nature and natural phenomena is dealt with in physics. Hence, physics is considered as the most basic of all sciences. Unification and reductionism are the two approaches in studying physics, attempting to explain diverse physical phenomena with a few concepts and laws is unification. For example, Newton's universal law of gravitation explains the motion of freely falling bodies towards the earth, motion of planets around the sun, motion of the moon around the earth, thus unifying the fundamental forces of nature. An attempt to explain a macroscopic system in terms of its microscopic constituents is reductionism. So these are the important things. Let's see the next topic, branches of physics. Physics are classified into two branches. One is classical physics and another one is modern physics. The branches of classical physics are mechanics. Mechanics is classified into two categories. One is statistics and another one is dynamics. Dynamics is classified into kinematics and kinetics. Then other branches are thermodynamics and kinetic theory of gases, optics, electricity and magnetism, acoustics, astrophysics, relativity. Then the branches of modern physics are quantum physics, which is classified into non-relativistic and relativistic, and other branches are atomic physics, nuclear physics, molecular physics, high energy physics, condensed matter physics. These we will see these topics in upcoming lessons. Scope and excitement of physics. Discoveries in physics are of two types: accidental discoveries and well analyzed research outcome in the laboratory based on intuitive thinking and prediction. For example, magnetism was accidentally observed, but the reason for this strange behavior of magnets was later analyzed theoretically. Let's see the next topic, physics in relation to technology and society. Physics, being a fundamental science, has played a vital role in the development of all other sciences. A few examples. Let's see the topic only. First one, physics in relation to chemistry, physics in relation to biology, physics in relation to mathematics, physics in relation to astronomy, physics in relation to geology, physics in relation to oceanography, physics in relation to psychology. Thank you.